Y'all, I have a problem. Let's try these 3 new Nerdy Nuts flavors that just arrived. Check it out. I did a poll on my stories, and this is the one that you guys said to try first. So this one's hot chocolate mix with white chocolate peanut butter, little marshmallow bits, cookie bits, and marshmallow fluff. That is a winner. This one came in second place. This is banana bread, and it's white chocolate peanut butter with salted caramel sauce, and then banana mellow cream and crunchy streusel. I normally don't like fake banana flavored, so I am curious to see how this one is. Holy moly. Oh, really good. This is like legit just like a slice of banana bread. It doesn't have that like fake banana-y flavor. Yum. All right, third one is red velvet. Let's take a look at that before I stir that up. Oh my goodness, it's got red sprinkles. Those are red velvet cake bites, and then it's got cookie pieces at the bottom. Let's get a spoonful of it all. Oh my goodness. It's like cake and dry. Make sure you use Kaylin10 at nerdynuts.com when you order your jars.